La Rosa. This is how we plot a running fixed position. Assuming that course is 080 degrees and the speed is 8 knots or 8 nautical miles per hour. We take a bearing of 045 degrees on Alpha Rock at 0900. Now, convert the compass bearing true bearing and we plot it on the chart. After 30 minutes, we take a new bearing on the same rocks that reads 015 degrees. Now, convert the compass bearing to true bearing and plot it on the chart, along with the new time, 0930. Knowing the speed, the next step is determining the distance that vessel sailed from 0900 to 0930. For that, we use the formula D is equal to S times T divided by 60, where D is the distance in nautical miles, S is the boat speed, and T is the time in minutes. In our case, 8 nautical miles times 30 minutes divided by 60 equal 14 nautical miles. Use the divider, we span a distance of 4 nautical miles on the latitude scale, which is closest to the course line and which run along the side of the chart. We apply this span on the course, placing one leg of the divider on the 0900 LOP, intercept the course and the other leg on the course line. Using parallel ruler, we transfer the 0900 LOP on the blue mark. As we noticed, the two LOP intercept at the point of RF. This is how running fixed position.